This 2025 Jayco Redhawk 24B is a Class C RV. It is located in Manteca, California, 95336 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Manteca. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Jayco is 26 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 5, Slideout, and 43 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features Bunk Over Cab, U-shaped dinette. This 2025 Jayco Redhawk 24B is built on a Ford E450 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.